everybody, this ukulele lesson is going to teach you a really fun, easy to play tune, Down on the Corner by Creedence Clearwater Revival. This tune only uses 3 chords. Stick around for the entire lesson because I'm going to teach you the introductory riff and a whole bunch of different strum options so you can play along no matter what level you're at. Check the video description below for the different timestamps for all the different sections of this video. Watch to the end because we're going to jam along with the jam track and have an awesome time together. Everything you need to follow along with this lesson is going to be right here in this video, but you can support this channel and get some cool perks for your membership. Click the links down below to get the jam track and a whole bunch of bonus content to take you deeper into the different sections of this song. Please get your ukulele in tune and let's get jamming. The whole tune begins with this easy to play riff. I'll demonstrate it for you and then I'll break down the details. Syncopated rhythm. Moves up the neck. Down to the first place. Now, there's more nuance you can put into this, and I cover this in the bonus lesson. Check the links down below to become a member and get access to those. Right now, let's learn it in the simple way. Once again, up to the 8th fret, up to the 10th fret, back down. So fun. Now let's explore the strums. If you're brand new to the ukulele, great thing to do is just to play quarter notes and focus on the singing. I'll share some funkier strums in just a minute. If you're just starting out, this is a good idea, and even if you've been playing for a while, this helps you to focus on your vocal delivery. Early in the evening, just about supper time, oh, out by the courthouse, they're starting to unwind. Never a bad idea to slow down, make sure your chord changes are light, on time, and that you're singing in tune with a smile. Let's get into some funkier strums. Now, of course, I'm going to go into much greater depth at the bonus lessons. Check the video description below if you'd like to join as a member. Appreciate you being here either way. Come on, let's practice together. Now, the first funky strum I want to share with you involves this rhythm. Down, up, touch, down, up, touch. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and. Now, what I'm doing is I'm strumming down, up, and touching very lightly just to mute the strings. Careful that you don't tap too hard because we're really not looking for that percussive sound, just a mute. All right, we don't want the hand to get stuck on the ukulele. Let's try it with a little bit of the vocal. 2, 3, 4. Early in the evening, just about supper time, over by the courthouse, they're starting to unwind. Okay, so you start to get a feel for this. I'm going down, up, touch, not stopping the flow, and you have a really nice rhythm to play. Strum number 2 builds upon this and adds 1 extra stroke. This is strum number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. You know, that's 3 strong beats across the bar. Later, when we're playing along with a jam track, it's going to go by a little fast. So this and the first strum is a great one to play. Adds some great funkiness, and it's not too hard to play. Let's apply this rhythm to the chorus. 2, 3, 4. Down on the corner, out here in the street, Willie and the poor boys are playing. Bring a nickel, tap your feet. If singing and strumming is tricky, just try humming along. And then add the words. And the poor boys are playing. Bring a nickel, tap your feet. All right, are you having a good time so far? If you're enjoying this lesson, please reach out and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, Ukulele Zen. Tons of free content available for you here on this channel. And check the links down below to get a copy of the jam track and bonus content that's going to take you deeper into all your strumming and riffing playing for this tune. Thanks so much. Now, strum number 3 is exactly the rhythm that's played in the original recording by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Sounds like this. I'll break it down in a moment. All right, it's a little faster, and it uses the same idea of muting. Let's break it down by splitting it up into 2 halves. The first half, down, up, down, touch. Down, up, down, touch. Now, in the moment that you touch, I encourage you to pause, stop, and just feel how loose you can be. You don't have to do this for years and years, but if you just pay attention to that moment of relaxation, you can begin to program a soft touch into your strumming. And by the way, I'm going to go into all of this and many more strumming nuances at the video description. Below there is a link to the bonus content for members of the community. Right now, let's practice that first half again. Down, up, down, touch. Down, up, down, touch. Awesome. The next part is up, down. And notice I'm using a lot of mutes. Up, down, and another mute. Just touching with this part of the hand. Feel into your hand, you'll figure out which part is best for you. So the first half, down, up, down, touch. Up, down, touch. And there's little touches in between the upstrokes, but I can't say it and play it so fast. When we put it together, we get into a flow. Join in. Change. All right, practice this at a slow speed. It won't be long before you can do it faster. Okay, the last strum we have, strum number 4. This is one of my favorite funky strums to play, and I offered a whole live stream tutorial on it. You can click right up here to watch it. There's also a link in the video description below. Part of my first Sunday live stream series, I went into great depth on how to strum this funky strum. The pattern is this. Down, thumb, chuck up, down. Then up, chuck up, down. Down, thumb, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down, down, thumb, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down. It's a little fancy. That's why you'll want to check out the video description below to see that live stream lesson. Let's practice it together. Down, thumb, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down. I break down the chuck and also the fan stroke with some great practice tips at that live stream lesson. Hey, how are you feeling so far? You ready to put this together and jam the whole tune? Let's do it. But before we do, please give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you being here so much. Be sure to subscribe to the channel Ukulele Zen. Enjoy the content there, and I hope you'll consider joining as a member of the community. There's so much bonus content, including the jam track to go with this lesson and a whole bunch of bonus content to take you deeper into your ukulele playing. So glad you're here. Wishing you a wonderful day. Come on, let's jam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Early in the evening, just about supper time. Over at the courthouse, they're starting to unwind. 4 kids on the corner, trying to bring you up. Willie picks a tune out and he blows it on the arm. Down on the corner, out here in the street, Willie and the poor boys all playing, ring a nickel, tap your feet. Our rooster hits the washboard, people just gotta smile. Blinky thumbs a gut bass, and solos for a while. Poor boy twangs the rhythm out on his Kalamazoo, and Willie goes into a dance and doubles on kazoo. Down on the corner, out here in the street, Willie and the poor boys all playing, ring a nickel, tap your feet. And the poor boys all playing, ring a nickel, tap your feet. You don't need a penny just to hang around, but if you got a nickel, won't you lay your money down? Over on the corner, there's a happy noise. People come from all around just to watch the Magic Boys. Down on the corner, out here in the street, Willie and the poor boys all playing, ring a nickel, tap your feet. Down on the corner, out here in the street, Willie and the poor boys all playing, ring a nickel, tap your feet.